freaking love these Kodiaks, like obsessed with this truck. I have been ever since they came out. This is a 2006 C4500. It's got the LBZ Duramax, it's got the Allison transmission, and it's just the perfect recipe for like a heavy hauler. I bet our load right there is probably 30 to 35,000 pounds plus the weight of the truck, and it pulled great. Pulled way better than a 1 ton would have, because it's got that big medium duty chassis and those big heavy axles, and it just looks so awesome. They literally have like sharper steering than a Toyota pickup, because the front axles are designed to steer way more aggressively. Tons of maneuverability. Best part about this truck is it's 4-wheel drive. A lot of these Kodiaks are only 2-wheel drive, which is the way they came. Well, there's a conversion done to them, and having the 4-wheel drive plus the low range is really what we needed to be able to get up this steep dirt hill right here with that heavy load. This truck is sick. Whoever wins this is gonna be very, very lucky. Out of all the trucks we've given away over the last several years, this is the one I wanna keep the most. I was looking to build a new tow rig for myself, and so I started Kodiak shopping, and I found this one, and I was like, guys, I think I'm gonna buy this and build it into a new tow rig. And then we got to talking, and we're like, that would actually make a really great giveaway truck. So you guys should know that you're literally taking the truck that I wanted to build for myself, and like same spec and everything, same wheels, tires, color, everything is exactly the way I wanted it. So whoever wins it is getting the truck that literally I built specifically for me.
Saying 22 lights on the front end. It's gonna be a lot of lights. We're gonna have 10 on the bumper and another 12 on the windshield. It doesn't look as many as you will think because it's a big truck, but it's a big front end. But yeah, we needed to have those many lights too in order to fill up all this, make it look cool.
So yeah, they'll just have like these 3 posts, and then there's pre-existing holes in the bed already. So with these bed rails, we'll be able to slip them right down inside, and glad you throw a little more stuff in there and have a little more ease of mind that's not gonna just fall out the side. It's gonna be like a 3-layered rail, if you will. So you'll have your outside framework of it, and then 2 plates that are kind of creating a design inside of the rail. And then the outside framework of the rail, it's gonna get the bedliner stuff on it, so it matches the inside of the bed, while the 2 design plates are gonna get painted to then match like with the rest of the design of the truck.
You're talking about the Armadillo liner for the inside?
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
All right, while those guys finish up the build, I want to talk to you about your lawn. Yeah, have you always wanted the greenest lawn of all the lawns that have ever lawned? Then you should thank Sunday. They sponsored today's video, and they're about to teach you how to have the greenest lawn in the neighborhood. Let me show you how it works. We'll take my friend Caleb, for example. You're gonna click the link in the description below. You're gonna describe your lawn to them perfectly of what you want, what it needs, what it looks like, its condition, things like that. They are gonna customize a meal plan for your lawn. They're gonna send you nutrient packets and things that your lawn needs, customized to your lawn. Do you understand? It's not just a generic thing. They're customizing things for you to make your lawn the best lawn of all the lawns. And they're gonna ship it straight to your door. You come out, there's a Sunday box, you're pumped, you open it up, boom, there's all your nutrient packets for your lawn. Bada bing, bada boom. You got your nutrients for your lawn. All you have to do is follow those instructions, click the link, and you, my friend, are gonna like the decision you made. Anyway, I gotta get back to helping them with the build, so.
All right, guys, we are in the final hours of this build. We've got our wheels, tires on. We've got unpainted steps. There's side rails going on the bed that are being finished up. We have a bumper in the final steps of being mounted, and I just can't wait to see that. But one of the other things that we need to get done is on top of the roof. We've got a custom light bar going across the roof that's really going to bring this whole truck together. It's very cool to always see the sketch written down. Do you have that sketch, Jaime? Show the sketch of what Iram drew, because we are very much at that point taking it from the sketch to the actual finished product. So stay tuned. You want to see all the work being put together on this. This is going to blow your mind. Just look at this. This is going in the bumper. Look at that thing. Freshly made here at Sparks Motors. Do you see these? That's going in the steps. Can I? Let me, please.
Somebody's gonna pick up a little more.
Well.
Caleb, look what you did, man. This is so
Dude,
cool.
I just love it. From my sketch to this. It's a big truck, but what are you even using that for? Would you want this or not? Tell me all your reasons in the comments below. I want to know. When you see this, do you want it? Do you want to win it?
Can I answer? I want it.
Yeah, you want it?
I want it. This thing's sick.
Okay, sounds good. That's one.
How many lights is that?
12? Only 12.
Gonna be able to see that from space.
Like Las Vegas?
It's a Luxury.
Yeah. Oh, that's Las Vegas. That's Goliath. Oh yeah, it's gonna be bright. These Bajas are sweet.
Which model is this?
XL Sports. They have different sizes and models. I picked these XL Sports because I wanted to give it a different look than some other truck that we have built in the past with the big round LP9s and LP6s. I didn't want to go round this time. That's why I picked these XLs, and I think it just fits perfect to this truck. We don't have any round things around. Square. XL Sports fits perfect to this.
Crazy, you did all this by yourself, man.
Crazy, dude. Might as well call me a mechanic from here on out for the rest of my life. Try him in all eternity, Mr. Mechanic. Rev up a little bit.
Is always coming through.
Dude, there's one thing I can do, it's cross thread some Allens, dude. You can count on me. You'll never be able to get these out again, ever.
It's just Loctite, right?
Yeah. Loctite, cross threads. I set my own path, really.
Guys, I'm pretty sure that truck just proved itself in every way possible. That was a very heavy, gnarly haul. And like I said, we built this thing just for you. My favorite truck of all time, built exactly how I would build it for myself. In fact, I'm probably gonna build one for myself to match this. So click the link, get entered, and don't sleep on this truck, because you can drive this to the grocery store, you can take it to the lake, you can take it camping, you can take your family to church, you can use it as a hot shot rig, you can make money with it. Everything about this truck is literally perfect, and it could be yours. So what are you waiting for? Why are you still watching me talk? Click the link, get entered, and now enjoy the rest of the video.